Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Jaguar won't have a sports vehicle for a while since the F Type will be discontinued after the 2024 model year. In recognition of the end of manufacturing, a 75th anniversary model, seen above, has now been made available for Europe. A JLR representative also confirmed to C/D that the 2024 F Type would be the last model sold in the United States. Though specifics are still pending, we'll probably get a final edition as well. For its debut model year in 2014, the F Type was exclusively offered as a convertible. After that, the Coupe went on sale with both supercharged V6 and V8 engines available. Later, a turbocharged 4-cylinder and an available manual gearbox for the V6 were added to the range, but most recently, the F engine type's options were reduced to the V8 and automatic. The supercharged 5.0-liter V8 is available in 2023 with 444 and 575 horsepower. The P450 Coupe starts at $74,675 and goes all the way up to the R convertible at $112,475. The 75th anniversary version for the European market has several aesthetic changes, a distinctive color, and special badging. This number represents 75 years of Jaguar sports cars, starting with the XK120. We don't know what the 2024 F Type lineup will look like, however it could have a similar design to the one used in the United States. Jaguar promises to reveal additional information in December. Thank you for watching.